want to manage Facebook Messenger permissions on Android? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to manage Facebook Messenger permissions on your Android device. First of all, you want to launch open your settings. Now scroll down a bit and tap Apps. Here you will find all the applications installed on your device. From here, search Messenger and tap on that. Now you will find the option of permissions. Tap on that. From here, you can manage all the Facebook Messenger permissions. If you want to allow anything, simply tap on that. Then tap on the Allow option. Now, if you do not want to grant permission for something, let's say for notifications, select that. Then simply toggle off the option of notifications. In the same way, if you do not want to give permission for location, select that and tap on Don't Allow. Now, in this way, you can easily manage Facebook Messenger permissions on Android, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.